Okay, ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan. Una maliit, papalaki. Then after yan, una maliit, paputi. Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay guys, ganito naman ang next game natin, no? Maglalaro tayo ng tongue twister or tongue twist game.
Ito na lang video.
Word, ano yung word na sasabihin ko, ayun ang isisigaw nyo. Okay, for example, everybody shout,
Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Paano hindi maganda yung milk dyan?
Kailangan pasigaw. Ready? Happy birthday! Okay, since na-girl yung ating birthday celebrator, unahin natin yung boys. Okay, kaya sigaw mo. Kaya siya, Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi,
Happy
Rachel.
birthday! Happy birthday!
Alright, dapat ka na. Okay, ready? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Okay, girls, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Ah.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Alright, di ba madali lang? Since naging to guys, pahirap yung mga word na isisigaw nyo. Okay, next word natin, isigaw nyo. Bandila!
Bandila!
Okay, sige. Bandila!
Bandila!
Okay, kailangan lahat ng girls, isisigaw. Bandila. Okay, everybody girls. Bandila! Sabay-sabay kayo lahat.
Bandila!
Yung boys naman, isisigaw nyo. Wagayway!